Hi there, Uncle Bill here. What you're looking at, if you don't know, that is a massive swarm of honeybees right there, and I mean a big one. And what we're going to do, if you didn't know, I'm part of the North Carolina Honeybee Association, and I'm out here with my man. If you could just see his phone get in the picture, JP, and no, you're fine, and you're going to be in it anyway. And we get calls. We're on the swarm list. We should have brought that out here to you, but we're going to make a whole nother video of that, and I'm going to back up so you can see him. So what happens is honeybees, sometimes they get too big for what they live and they swarm, they leave. You know, sometimes they'll be in your honey box or they'll be in a hole in the tree, and so what happens is they cluster up here, and somewhere in there should be a queen, and that's what we're doing. We're going to try to get this swarm, hopefully have the queen, and what we're going to do is put it in JP's what do you call it, arbitrary,
it's a nuke box.
A nuke box. And so he's going to put it in there, and that's a 5-frame nuke box right there, and we're just going to transplant it. We're out here in Cedar Point. If you look right out here, look at this beautiful view, folks. So we got all the perfect things for the scenery. Also, there's the potential to get stung up. Now, we're lucky. It's probably like 7:30 at night. Bees generally don't like to fly at night, so that's going to be helpful to us. I'm going to pop in the picture right now. You can see I got my bee suit on if you've never seen it, and put my gloves on. You hope in situations like this that the bees will just fall in the box and everything will be good, and but then again, you might see us completely surrounded and tore up and everything else. And mind you, when a honeybee stings you, that sends off that pheromone, and everybody else is coming. All the sisters and brothers, your ass is about to get stung. I mean, it just is what it is. These hands, the last time I seen it, hundreds of stings in it. You just got to take it. So we'll see what it is. You ready?
I think what I'm going to do is shoot. So you're going to be able to record this?
Yeah, it's recorded.
Okay. Give me a copy now. Go ahead, come right back here and cut. Can you cut like right here? Nice and easy. Don't, try not to. Wow, that's every bit of.
Oh, that's pretty there.
She's pretty, son.
That is pretty.
I'm out here in Crocs. Probably should have worn my shoes.
See if I can get a picture. Stand in front of it. Look at me. Man, that's awesome. How many bees you guess on there?
Man, there's 60,000 bees here,
Yeah,
buddy.
yeah. That's a real thing of beauty right there.
This is the biggest swarm I've caught to date.
Look at that, folks. I mean, one solid chunk. That's some honey making. That's some honey makers right there.
Somewhere in here is going to be a queen. Here. Hit me one time. Are you ready? I'll go the other way with it. Yeah.
It's on video.
Yeah, that's what video, yep.
Go with it. So what you're looking at, got old JP right here, and he has got a massive swarm of bees. And they getting
oh shoot. Let me see my brush. Oh fuck.
Can you hear them?
No, they're inside my shoes.
Oh no.
They're alright. Oh hell, they're up my pants. Now we're just gonna let them go in.
Hear it? Listen to that sound.
That's good.
Look at his face.
Those up my pants.
He just he just jumped the bees all in me.
My bad. They didn't bite you, did they?
No. Get off me. Oh, I can't change it.
I wore the wrong damn shoes.
All right. Hope everybody's having a good day and stay safe. If you can't hit the like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't.